Good evening, guys. My name is Rohan Rajuma. I am from Rangarej Inputting Satara. Today is about class structure. Is discussed new learner point. First, today's my class structure is main based on four pillars. So today I will say about in four pillars in firstly 3 points. Firstly, one point is do you have completed your course content while teaching. So this is mostly important point because firstly maximum trainers have batches come also time to time in regularly present on class, but consistency not teach to regularly. So class is main point is the course content wise teaching because mostly course content is a already experience in 20 years last 10 to 20 years, then experience on course content is clear, then automatically course content wise learning, then automatically course time to time duration is completed our courses. So this is a new learn point. So I have firstly Newton also come to class, then I will first say that four pillars is understanding because four pillars is most important, and this point is knowledge point is maximum 6 points, but course content teaching is most important. And second point is the observation. Always study is not my teacher teach for me and I will study and my knowledge is growth. So this is the very difference. This is the regular point, and you course content teaching. This is the similar points in some points, but observation is a self development because maximum knowledge is points is a continuously completed our teachers teach for me and I will complete my knowledge point, and I will observation is different because observation then one person another person then observation, so never learn points because my knowledge is observation is high level or low level, then observation is most important because observation then one person try to concentrate it our knowledge point because the first concentration point is most important because I have one trainer is concentration, then automatically improve our observation point because maximum members is complete our any task, any ideas, any implementation points, but not the strongest points is created, but observation through knowledge is improve that because any teachers any unique points is teach to examples is say to our bases. So mostly maximum knowledge is improve our structure, improve our self development. So this is a knowledge point. So first I will say that first one point is do have complete information the course content. So course content wise teaching is the main point, then observation is second point, and third point is mentor. Do you have a course content information because maximum students batches come also class, but not any information any course in next package will start. So which is the next package start now, but today's course content wise is a self development, then today's firstly admission now, then is a say that this is a point this pack is completed after but is to this point. So maximum batches is a clear that my package is word complete, then Excel start now, then Excel completed PowerPoint start now, then PowerPoint completed internet start now, then internet completed my advanced study basic study start now, then is a basis considered clearly in course content. So firstly this point is clear and this is point most important because my aim is clear, then automatically achieve that automatically other targets in completed because aim is not clear, then my target is right hand and I am going to left hand. So this is not important in our clarity. So clarity is most important because target and clarity is improve our combination and you will achieve that target. And today's two story is my English is week, so I will learn about new points, so help to my batches because mostly my one batch is Vaishnavi Nikam ma'am. This is the English speaking knowledge improve that. So ma'am is continuously say that your sir English is improve, but you not try to continuously speak in English. Then you speak in continuously little English, then automatically your English speaking is perfect. So I will understand and I will unlearning start now because Phoenix is my firstly past 4 to 5 years is Phoenix structure observer, and today the unlearning is most important. So I will ask to question my bachelors. My English is not weak, but I will improve. That's my English. So you give me help, then I will improve my English. So maximum one batch is 2 books in English speaking. Please give me, and I will study on this book because the maximum points is my continuously 4 to 5 times English speaking start now and close now because my consistency is not speaking English. So this is my weak point, but I will understand because I am owner in Satara Rangareddy branch. So my English is not improved, then my not future is clear and brilliant. So I will start it continue 3 months. It's continue speak our English. Then I will improve my English speaking perfect. Spoken English start now. Then I will complete my English speaking in course. And today's firstly morning clock is a meeting, and today introduce our today's experience our class because firstly 4 plays is completed and 2 story today read now. First story is the cap seller. Always all members are after childhood is remaining that uh, past. So one cap seller, then one seller is always villages going to the cap seller, and maximum cap sell, but is but once another time is leaving our villages. Then one village is tree to sleeping here is a cap seller, but also his capsular is open eyes, then a capsular check is your basket, then not available any caps. So maximum caps is not available in any baskets. So capsular is angry, and he is check lips check our near in caps, but his cap is not available. Then capsular check it is up down, then trees is maximum is monkeys available, then monkeys one another in caps in hand, caps in head. So capsular is angry. So but capsular it is smart. So capsular is ideas. So I will take a stone and target to monkeys, then return to my stones because monkeys monkeys are very man's is replace in any situation any times with another times. So capsule is very smart. So capsule firstly one cap in our head. So capsule is one cap is take a hand and give the uh, both side. So maximum monkeys is observe, and all monkeys are give take a caps in hand, then both side in our floor. So maximum this is the story I will observe. So not angry. So your smart work is most important, and second is the 30 crore. So it is most important because the crew story literally I will understand the crew story because for one crew is very hungry. Then maximum is water is not available. Then one one village is come also, then water is available, but is maximum water is both side in our path sides in our path side. So maximum bottle is not up to crew is down here and give the water, but water is not available because the maximum percentage and crew is ideas to maximum stones is collect and stones take waters and automatically waters come also up and then crew is achieve the target and is water is hungry is completed and the automatic going to all. So literally try to communication in English then first video in after long time in 10 minutes. So thank you.